Bob's Glass Repair mobile ad campaign. The ads used for this company will show that Bob's Glass Repair is better than the competition. Text messages for Bob's Glass Repair will be sent to the town's recipients via text message after an initial email marketing campaign. An email marketing campaign will be done by first using a scraper that collects email addresses from search engines and etc. The email campaign will have an opt-out option. Our customers will have the option of connecting to our social media campaign for special discounts. And lastly, the social media campaign will have discounts for those who complete certain tasks for us, such as sharing with their friends and etc. Lawfully unsolicited emails can be sent if there is an opt-out option. The keywords will be glass repair, New Jersey glass repair, New Jersey window repair, New Jersey windshield repair, New Jersey window glass repair kit, New Jersey window chip repair, and other words that have to do with glass repair. The cost would be $3.50 per click for the first page, a little lower. Estimated click-through rate would be 1 to 2 clicks per day, and the estimated traffic would be 30 to 45 people based on what Google says. The targeted audiences are those who would like their windows and windshields repaired. In the future, Bob's Auto Glass might have more services that its customers want. Initially, Bob's Glass Repair will be promoted through social media only. Then there will be ads for newspapers and more forms of advertising.